four main product categories that the company Euresys is involved in. It relates to image acquisition with frame grabbers. So these are boards that acquire images from very high performance digital cameras, predominantly used in the machine vision space, but also in sports imaging and medical imaging. We also do machine vision software, develop and sell IP cores to companies that are implementing digital camera vision standards into their products, for example, in embedded vision systems. And we also do custom engineering. I'd like to have the chance to just show you a little bit about the demo here that's happening. This is a camera from our sister company, SVS-Vistek. It's a 127 megapixel camera. That's an impressive amount of resolution, but what's really unique here is that full resolution is running at 20 frames a second. So you take 127 megapixel image size times 20 frames per second, it's generating gigabytes per second of data. And that's an area where on the image acquisition side, Euresys really shines. This camera is featuring a 4-link or 4-connection, it's called CoaXPress 12 interface, providing power to the camera and data all over a single cable. And then you can use multiple cables to increase the speed. It's one of the beauties of the CoaXPress interface. Simple coax cables fed into our product, which you see inside here, which is the frame grabber. We're acquiring images from the camera, at the same time providing it power, generating triggers to the camera, and then synchronizing that with all the other real-time handling equipment, say on the factory floor or the production floor. So the frame grabber in this case, acquiring the images, is acting as the hub of the image acquisition system. What's really unique here is we're showing not only the interface to the camera, but our board here is connected and operated directly by an iMac here, running in fact macOS. So we support a wide range of operating systems as well as CPU architectures. We're acquiring data from the camera onto the PCI bus, controlling all of the factory elements, and then feeding the image data to the iMac for the processing. In this case, we're simulating an inspection of a high-resolution screen display, testing image quality, making sure that 100% of the pixels are illuminating correctly. At the same time, our sister company, SVS-Vistek, here is showing another camera using a 25 gig eVision interface as well. It's a very high frame rate, so if you were to stop that display, you would have no motion artifacts from that. In this case specifically, these are global shutter CMOS sensors, all the pixels at precisely the same time, which means you end up with a static image without motion artifact. For any further information about our products, search for CoaXPress, image acquisition, or frame grabbers, and you'll find Euresys. Thanks very much.